नमस्ते दोस्तों, आज हम बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट होम्योपैथिक मेडिसिन प्रोटोन के बारे में चर्चा करेंगे। जैसे कि समर अप्रोच हो चुकी है, तो ये मेडिसिन समर कंप्लेंट्स के लिए बहुत ही उपयोगी मेडिसिन है। तो अगर आप होम्योपैथिक डॉक्टर हैं, प्रैक्टिशनर्स हैं, स्टूडेंट्स हैं या होम्योपैथी सीखना चाहते हैं, तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए बहुत ही हेल्पफुल होने वाली है। तो इस वीडियो को आप अंत तक ज़रूर देखिएगा और हमारे चैनल को भी सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। तो आइए दोस्तों, वीडियो शुरू करते हैं। यह जो मेडिसिन है क्रोटोन ऑयल सीड से बनाई जाती है। तो यह जो मेडिसिन है, इसके मेन क्लिनिकल इंडिकेशंस जो है वो है स्किन इरप्शंस, डायरिया, कॉलेरा, कफ, अस्थमा। मेन क्लिनिकल इंडिकेशन है मेडिसिन का वो ये है कि पेशेंट को ये फील होता है कि उसको किसी चीज़ से बांध दिया गया है, देयर इज़ नो स्पेस टू ब्रेथ. So if you found this clinical indication in any patient, then you can prescribe this medicine easily. And now we come up with the different clinical indications and symptoms of protontic. So first of all, this medicine is very useful for skin eruption. In skin there is a constant burning, itching is present, and there is a marked sensitivity also present. Patient cannot scratch the eruptions. Also there is herpes zoster with smarting, burning, itching, and this type of sensitivity you found, you can prescribe this medicine. And in skin eruption there is forming of vesicles, pustules. I mean, they form and dry up and then form and then dry up, and in this cyclic manner there is appearance of skin eruptions. So this is a very good medicine for skin eruption. Now we come to the cough symptoms, cough and asthma. And cough and asthma chest symptom, it is a very good medicine if symptoms matches. There is aggravation at night, and as soon as patient touches the pillow, the cough starts. So this is very prominent clinical indication. If you find this indication and with nighttime aggravation, you can prescribe this medicine. And also there is hoarseness, and that is developed after taking cold drinks. And hoarseness, patient constantly clears the throat and hawks the throat like if you find this type of symptom, you can prescribe this medicine. And also there is asthma, and asthma there is constant feeling of tiredness. There is no space, patient feels suffocation, and patient has to sit up in the bed. In this type of symptoms, this is a very good medicine. And now we comes to the diarrhea, which is most important clinical indication in summers. If you find diarrhea in any patient after taking cold drinks, after taking drinks, at least quantity of any drink or food excites the diarrhea. And diarrhea, there is gushing type of diarrhea, sudden forcible diarrhea, and diarrhea is very offensive, greenish, yellowish, and watery stools is there. And so in diarrhea symptoms, this is going to be very good medicine. So alternation of symptoms also very important in that this medicine. If skin eruption, in this medicine skin eruption alternates with diarrhea. Alternativeness with the diarrhea is also present in medicine abrotinum, but in abrotinum there is alternation of diarrhea with rheumatic complaints, whereas in this medicine there is alternation of diarrhea with skin complaints. Means if स्किन कंप्लेंट्स आती है पेशेंट को, तो डायरिया सबसाइड हो जाता है, रुक जाता है, और डायरिया होता है तो स्किन प्रॉब्लम्स ख़त्म हो जाती हैं. तो ये मेन इंडिकेशन होता है इस मेडिसिन का. अगर आपको पीसी पेशेंट में ये इंडिकेशन मिलता है तो आप इस मेडिसिन को प्रिस्क्राइब कर सकते हैं फॉर द सिम्टम्स मैचेज. It is very good medicine for diarrhea in infants in summer, and especially in nursing women. If after smallest amount of breastfeed, child can develop diarrhea. So least motion also aggravate the diarrhea in this patient. So this is very good medicine for diarrhea in infants, and also in adults if symptom matches. Also in chest symptom, there is a drawing type of pain from left side of the chest, and that is going towards going to backwards, and there is no space to breathe out. So this is good medicine if this type of symptoms present. Mastitis and means pain in breast, and that is going backwards. So if you find these symptoms in your patient, then it is very good medicine to prescribe, and you can get success easily. So and one more thing is this medicine antidote the rux poisoning. So this is a very good medicine for rust poisoning. So these are all the main clinical indication of this medicine. मैं उम्मीद करती हूँ आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा होगा। अगर वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा हो तो इसको शेयर कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट कीजिए और इसको सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिए, क्योंकि आपका एक लाइक, कमेंट, शेयर, सब्सक्रिप्शन हमको और आगे काम करने के लिए मोटिवेट करता है, प्रेरणा देता है। तो दोस्तों जुड़े रहिए, मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में एक नई जानकारी के साथ। तब तक सभी को सादर नमस्ते, धन्यवाद।